Oh, great stuff. Ahoy there, good morning. Welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Hello.
Today we're in Cadiz in Spain, and we're going to have a look around town. And if you'd like to join us, that'd be great. So let's go see what Cadiz has got to offer. So as you can see, the sky is pretty grey. It's only about 10 or 11 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold, quite cold.
And I'm in a lovely t-shirt. So
That bit of free.
this might be the shortest vlog. But if you look in the description, there's a longer tour of Cadiz that we can link to from a previous visit. So if you want to join us on that visit, you of course are absolutely welcome to, or watch it after you've watched this one. It's always difficult when it's not blue skies and the sun isn't out. That's an interesting place over there. I don't know what it is. I'll just swidge you over and let you have a look.
Tourist information.
Is it tourist information? Interesting building.
Centro de Turistas. It's Spanish, isn't it?
Excellent. Porto de Cadiz. It's trying to rain on my head now.
Yeah.
Well, in fact, it's trying to rain on all of me, not just my head. Yeah, last time we were here, we were on Iona as well, so about a year ago. I don't know who this chap is. Manuel Pavon. I think he was an arm wrestling champion.
It's Manuel Monero Pavon.
That's what I said. Still think it's world champion arm wrestling. Well, maybe the Cadiz champion. Gates into the city, I assume, one would assume. Who knows? Oh. Disinfected if it smells nice, and give it that.
Probably because people poo.
Oh. There we go. Today we're kind of wandering around the more downtown area, I think. Casa Roma. I would tell you all about it.
Casa Roma Varela.
But it's all in Spanish, so I've no chance.
Por favor.
Yeah, whatever. So I do understand, do not walk about on it, thank you very much. So I won't. And I can tell it's just opposite the Lidl over there. It's very nice. Necropolis de Cadiz. Well,
We'll show you how to run in Cadiz.
yeah. Let's go. Let's have a look. May you rest in peace. If it was bright and sunny, it'd be lovely. But it's not. It's cold, it's dull, it's overcast, it's trying to rain. It's a shame.
But it is winter.
It is December, yeah, you're right. Another unfinished project. Or maybe it's a Roman ruin. One or the other. Roman grave markers. I'll make up anything. I don't know what they are.
Well, it is 'cause it's like funeral.
Oh, like funeral stuff, so.
Yeah, or funeral.
But not exactly. Not exactly impressive, really. Still, we'll have a look. Oh, yep. There we go. Some mounds. some
Bones.
some bones. Lordy.
It's a water fountain.
Yeah, water fountain. Roman.
It's not.
Oh, it's Spanish. Okay, well, that was interesting. Let's go. 1787. St. Jose Church in Cadiz. It looks like Napoleon, but I didn't know what he's doing. Maybe did he conquer Spain? History, my strong point, especially subject. Oh, walking into Cadiz city centre, much busier now. A lot of people about. If anybody knows what those are, please comment below, let me know. They look weird. So we've left the town centre and moved to the beach, which you can see is huge, wide open, clean, expansive beach, goes on for miles, all the way down. Lovely beach.
Surfing.
People out there surfing. So still walking along the seafront here at Cadiz. This is the new town, which we've not been to before. Nope. And yeah, the old town is much more interesting. It's got lovely beaches though, and if it was summertime and beach weather, then I can imagine it being packed down here. We'll walk our way back up towards the old town. The previous video that we've done on Cadiz was the old town and around the older areas of Cadiz. So as I say, if you want to have a watch of that, link will be in the description, and I'll put a link at the end of the video for it. Or I might even put a link up there. Who knows? You just don't know. A little bit more Roman ruins, I guess, on the beach here. So we're back in old bit of Cadiz now. So as you saw, we've been around the new bit, seen the beaches, all very nice. Well, the beaches are lovely.
Yeah.
Prefer the old bit of Cadiz. As I've said, if you want to watch our previous vlog from 7 or 8 months ago on Cadiz, then it's all Old Town. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.